gearbox is easy to shift, and I just find that car endearing as a result. In spite of its problems, your SLK, not a sports car. I know we're back to sports car definition.
It's not
That's
really
news
to me.
I know, but
I can tell you why it's not.
Dedicated platform. Anyway, moving on. Yeah.
No, because it shares the same C-Class sedan platform from the early 90s. It's not a sports
There you
car.
go. But the
fuck are you doing?
in that makes it very engaging. There is a level of engagement that is required by the driver in a manual transmission that is still more involving, because think about all the limbs involved, still more involving than even the best dual clutch. And because of that, there is a segment of car culture that has just thrown out all dual clutches as terrible to drive. They aren't terrible to drive, they're just not as involving as a full manual.
For the record, as much as I love PDK, and as much as I love my car, my next Cayman will be a manual transmission. I love the engagement as well. Everybody does. But also for the